What is a personal wiki?
A personal wiki is a digital platform designed for creating, organizing, and managing information. Unlike public wikis, which are open for everyone to edit, a personal wiki is typically kept private or shared with a select group. Users can create linked pages full of notes, ideas, or research, serving as a customized, ever-evolving knowledge base tailored to personal or team needs.
Building your knowledge base?
Personal wikis let you build a structured library of information by creating interconnected pages. Each page can cover a specific topic, project, or idea. Through hyperlinks, you can easily connect related pages, making navigation intuitive. The structure grows organically, mirroring how your understanding develops over time. This flexibility helps you document knowledge, goals, meeting notes, and research all in one organized place.
Organizing information effectively.
Organization in a personal wiki relies on categories, tags, and internal links. You can tag pages by topic, use categories for broad areas like work or personal, and create tables of contents for quick access. Search functions help you find information instantly. This approach ensures your digital library remains tidy and efficient, even as it expands with new insights and resources.
Collaborative features and privacy.
Personal wikis often offer collaboration tools and strong privacy controls. You can invite others to contribute, edit, or comment on pages, making it ideal for group projects or shared initiatives. At the same time, permissions settings let you control who sees or edits each section. This balance enables both private note-taking and team-based knowledge sharing, all within one secure environment.
Popular tools and use cases.
Well-known personal wiki tools include Notion, TiddlyWiki, and Obsidian, each with unique strengths. They are used for a wide range of purposes: organizing research, planning projects, tracking habits, or maintaining personal journals. Whether you're an individual or part of a team, a personal wiki helps transform scattered notes into an interconnected, searchable digital library tailored to your needs.